Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with Out the Door in 4. If you're interested in seeing this video, keep on watching. Just let your beauty shine through. Let it shine through. I just want to come on here and just show you how I do my quick and easy simple makeup. In 4 minutes I'm out the door, and really it takes me all of 4 minutes to do my makeup. Some of the products that I like to use when I am on the go and I really need to get out the door, but I want to look presentable. Here are the products. I like to use a tinted moisturizer, okay, a concealer, a cream bronzer, mascara, and a lip gloss, okay? 5 simple products that I am actually using to get out of the door in 4. Okay, I mean really, this is it. I always do this when I'm really running, but I want to look presentable. You know, you don't want to go out the house looking any kind of way. This is the look that I wear when I'm running errands and so forth. It's really quick, simple, and easy, especially if you do not want to wear a lot of makeup. Anyway, everything that I use will be in the description box below. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I do. Starting off on cleanse, moisturize, and all my serums are complete. And I'm using the Universal Tinted Moisturizer SPF of 46 by Dermatology. And this is one of my favorite tinted moisturizers, okay? I always moisturize completely, thoroughly though. Okay, so I apply this onto my skin in a thin layer. If you may sometimes need to use a couple of layers, but today I may use maybe just a couple of layers. That is it. I just apply this onto my skin, onto my neck, face, all around my nose area, and I really like how it gives me that natural looking glow. Love that about this. Now I'm using my eyebrows. I'm doing my eyebrows as normal. Nothing major, you know. I'm just going to brush it up and then I just fill it in. Really quick and easy. I'm not strategic about it. I'm just filling these suckers in, okay? And then I'm brushing it up just to make them in some, you know, to have them in some kind of formation. And this pencil is by Brow Power by Revolution. Now I'm taking the Born This Way, the Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced, and I'm just applying it using a little bit of setting spray on my brush just to manipulate it a little bit better, just to thin it out a little bit because I'm not doing anything heavy at all. I apply this on my eyelids as well because it has a little bit of discoloration. Your eyes is what wakes you up, so I always tend to put a little bit of concealer on my eyes, okay? Just a little bit. Then I take a makeup sponge and I kind of shear it out. I have a damp makeup sponge and I use that to actually just shear out the makeup to make it look more natural. Once that is complete, I am using the cream bronzer Tower 28. It also has like a sheerness. Well, it's a cream bronzer with looks like a little bit of highlighter in it to me. I love this bronzer, especially when it's so easy. I can take my hands and apply it to my eyelids because it gives me a little bit of color. You know, sometimes concealer can wash you out, so you want to add a little bit of something back to your complexion, okay? So this is the bronzer I'm going to use on my eyes and everywhere else. I'm taking my liquid liner by NYX and just lining my eyelines on the, it's very thin, as low as I can get it on my top of, on my lash line, okay? I'm not doing a wing or anything, just adding this to my routine. If you don't want to do this, you can omit this. Now I'm taking my mascara, the Falsies mascara from Maybelline, and I'm just applying several coats. Now this takes the longest sometimes for me. This may take me about a minute to actually or less, but I usually like to apply a couple of coats of mascara because I'm not wearing falsies. This is a more of a natural look. But this is just something I'm doing to get out of the door to make myself look presentable, honey. Again, I'm using that concealer, the same concealer, the Tower 28, and just applying it. Like I said, it's very sheer, but it has like a highlighter built into it for some reason. I really like it. Bronzer, you just apply it onto your skin. There's no formation. It just adds a little bit of something back to your complexion, so you will not look washed out, you know? I apply it on my foreheads, on my cheeks, and I add a little bit on my nose area, right up there, just to give me a little bit of something, you know, make me look awake a little bit. I'm going a little bit further than I usually do with this bronzer. However, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder number 3, because it's a little deeper than what I normally set under my eyes. It's number 3. So this it just blends everything together, okay? This is quick, easy. I apply this, and also once I do this, I use my setting spray to seal everything together, to kind of just blend everything together. This completes it. Now I'm just using a lip gloss by NYX, and this is, I'm telling you, I have it in the description box. It's almost gone, but I'm using the little bit that I have left in this little tube, honey. Adding my earrings, and this is basically it. So I thank you so very much for watching. This is it. I love you. Bye.